In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your files using Norton Security with Backup. Taking a moment to back up your files can save you from potential data loss and give you peace of mind knowing your important documents and memories are safe and secure. Let's get started and walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to open up your Norton application. If you've already got this installed on your computer, simply double-click the icon and the program will open right up for you. If not, go ahead and download the app from the official Norton website to get set up. Once you have Norton up and running, you'll be greeted by its main dashboard. This is where you typically manage all your security features. But today, our focus will be on backing up your files. Next, look for the option labeled Control Panel. This might sound quite technical, but don't worry. It's really just the area in the program where you manage all of your settings and features. Go ahead and click this option to dive a little deeper into what the software has to offer. What we're interested in, specifically, is the backup options Norton provides. Now, within the control panel, you'll want to locate and click on Cloud Backup. This is where you'll be able to store your files securely online. Cloud Backup offers a great advantage as it not only secures your files against local data loss, but also makes them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility means your important files travel with you, securely, wherever you go. Once you're in the Cloud Backup section, you'll be prompted to set up your backup preferences. Here, you can choose which files or folders you'd like to back up. It's a good idea to prioritize important documents, cherished photos, and any other data that would be difficult or even impossible to replace. Norton provides a user-friendly interface here, so making these selections should be straightforward. At this point, with your files selected, you can kick off the backup process. Norton will securely upload your chosen files to the cloud, ensuring they're kept safe from local threats like hardware failures or cyber incidents. You can monitor the progress directly within the application as your files are backed up. So there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a secure backup of your vital files using Norton Security with Backup. Remember to regularly update your backups to include new or modified files, keeping your digital treasures safe. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who might benefit from a little digital peace of mind too. Until next time, stay secure.